I'm not a fan of this loose gravel.
No, I'm not either.
It sucks.
It's only right here, but there's salt on the road too, so we can't go too hard.
Alright, what's up guys? First motovlog of 2018. I haven't been riding because it's been like negative 17 degrees here in Georgia. Just kidding, calm down. But now that the weather's starting to get better, I'm going to start making videos again, so don't worry. It's not like I forgot about the channel or anything. But yeah, it's been really cold here, so I haven't been able to get out. I finally just met up with my friend Levi there. Had some fun, took it around some curves. Just enjoying this weather for once. But yeah, let's hope 2018 is a little better. I mean, it's the first month and we already have a government shutdown. We got the Tide Pod Challenge thing, whatever that is, going on. But hey, if people want to ingest laundry detergent, who am I to stop natural selection from occurring? I think that would be good for humanity. Let's just go ahead and get rid of those people. But yeah, this is nice weather. You know, this is why we need to build the wall. Because Mexico's letting all the cold air in. Thanks, Mexico. Thanks, Obama. Now that I'm riding again, I realize I need to get some better tires. Because going around turns, these weren't super great. That's for sure. What's up? I guess we're headed the same direction. I got my audio back now. Waiting on the red light. Waiting on the green light. Oh no, I knocked my mirror. Oh, it's so perfect. Help, I need an adult. Oh, bro. Well, I'm so glad I got to get out and enjoy this weather. Man, I'm really hoping to do stuff like that again, like meet up with local people. I actually know that because I'm in Georgia, a lot of the big motovloggers are around here. So that'd be cool to like meet up with them. I know every time they host something though, I'm already busy. And it's not stuff I want to do, it's stuff I have to do. Like even right now, I'm about to go get my car and I have to make like a 2.5–3 hour drive. And do some college, get some knowledge on. And unfortunately, I'm gonna have to leave the bike here. I got a little too much stuff to take back with me, and some other complicated, fun stuff. Man, there's so many bikers out today. It's crazy. Because the weather here has been so bad. I've seen like one, and I don't even understand how. I was actually riding last night. I was riding yesterday a good bit, and it was like high 50s for a while. It felt good. But at night it dropped to like 40 or so. Man, that wind chill was insane. At least I don't have the gear for it. You know, I'm sure if you got all that warm, fuzzy gear, you're good. But, me and my normal clothes was just not cutting it. I was a little chilly. My hands were going numb. These gloves are great and all, but, not for that, coldness, not for that Arctic weather. Oh yeah, all my audio, not recording properly, so that really messed up that whole first part of that ride. That was my first time like really getting out though and enjoying the weather. Yesterday I was just kind of going location to location, doing what I had to do that day. Well, it's over now. Gotta go back, gotta go to school, gotta do an adult thing. Well, anyway, now that the weather is getting better, I am gonna try to make some more videos, so stay tuned. I also have that DJI Mavic Pro drone. I don't really know some good ways to use it for motovlogging necessarily, but I'm gonna try to get some good shots. Also for 2018, I know YouTube is changing its, wow, it is really windy in this full face helmet. I know YouTube is changing its policy. I know as of right now, recording this, my channel was getting really close to hitting the previous mark of like 10,000 total views. I have other channels that were already there. This one almost hit 10,000 total views, and they're switching it again to like, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or something like that. Which, I mean, I get it. A lot of people are complaining, like really complaining about that. That really just shouldn't be. Like a lot of people with like 7 subscribers are like, YouTube's taking my money. Like, no, you haven't made any. I mean, I do get it though, how like if you are doing well and you're making a couple bucks, how it's just kind of like discouraging. But I mean, I don't really think YouTube against small creators. It's for the best. It'll work out in the end. And I mean, you're not going to be really making enough money to be worthwhile, I guess, unless you're already at that like 1,000 subscriber mark. So while I could complain about it and say, hey, you're stealing my $2, I could have bought a soda with that, I'm gonna just say, hey, you know what, whatever. I do this for fun anyway. I'm not making videos for money. Like, I do this because I enjoy it. I'm not like trying to eat a Tide Pod on the internet so I can get a bajillion views. Speaking of, if this video gets 7 quadrillion likes, I will ramp my bike off the Empire State Building with no helmet. Yeah, sorry, if you guys came here for the Tide Pod challenge and you thought I was gonna eat one of those good old-fashioned bad boys, you were sadly mistaken. You know, as dumb as it sounds, I just don't feel like dying. Well, guys, it's been fun, but time to say goodbye, at least for now. I'm gonna try to get a video up as soon as I can. This government shutdown thing is kind of affecting me, because I don't know what we're doing since I'm in the National Guard. I haven't really been told anything. This whole week really kind of depends on if I'm going somewhere or not. Because I've been told I am, and I've been told I'm not. So I guess we'll see how that goes. But anyway, guys, here's the 2018. I hope you guys have a great year. And you guys got some motorcycles, get out and ride. If you're in the Georgia area, hit me up. We'll go for a ride. I do apologize that I'm busy so often. But I'm going to start trying to make some good content, get good content out. Use that drone, make some video. Or if you guys want to see something, if you guys got ideas, hit me up. Or if you want to come out and film with me, man, hit me up. Squirrel! Squirrel! Squirrel!